some important questions. For type 1, find the equation of a line. Now find the equation of a line through the points -3, 2, -5 and having direction ratios 1, -3 and 6. Now let point P with coordinates x1, y1, z1 be a point on a line with A, B, C as direction ratios. Now, given P -3 to -5 is a point and ABC is equal to 1, -3, 6 are direction ratio. Now equation of a line. Equation of a line is x minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to z minus z1 upon C. So now this becomes x minus 1 x minus -3 upon 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon -3 is equal to z minus -5 upon 6. X plus 3 upon 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon -3 equal to z plus 5 upon 6. Hence, required equation is x plus 3 upon 1 same is equal to y minus 2 upon negative of 3 is equal to z plus 5 upon 6. Answer.